Okay, so we are now going to Shin Osaka Station. Ayan, nakasakay na kami sa Grab. And we're going to... Ay, sorry. Nakasakay na kami sa Uber. And we are going to Kyoto in a while. We're here now at the Shin Osaka Station. Yan. This is inside the Shin Osaka Station. Namin binili yung tickets namin. There. Someone assisted us naman eh. A Japanese woman na nag-assist sa amin. We got our tickets already. Ganyan kadami ang tao going to the Shinkansen. Yan yung Shinkansen, but that's not our train. Sa amin yung nasa 11:15 pa. Okay, so ito na yung sasakyan namin. Mandy, yan, so nandito na kami sa loob ngayon ng Shinkansen. Those are my kids, and then kaming dalawa dito. Yeah, we're leaving. It will only take us 15 minutes to go to Kyoto.
Tokyo. We'll be stopping at Kyoto, Nagoya, Shin Yokohama, and Shinagawa stations before arriving at Tokyo.
Dito na kami sa Kyoto Station. So magla-lunch muna kami bago pumunta ng hotel. Anyway, itong restaurant ito nandito lang din to sa may Kyoto Station. Uber na kami going to our hotel. Ito yung hotel namin dito sa Kyoto. So may vlog ako about this hotel. Watch it, guys. Punta kami ng Arashiyama today. We're gonna take the... Anong bus station to? Bus stop Horigawa Gojo. And then we're gonna take the bus 28. By the way, dito sa Kyoto, buses ang pinaka-efficient way to get around. Mura na, and of course, they're always on time. And malapit na kami bumaba. The next bus station, yun na.
Puro lahat naman. Ang daming restaurant ko may mga lakad-lakad. Alam mo, kung gusto nyo, pwede tayo
Yes. So we are in search of a toilet here kasi nawiwiwi si Habi. Hanap muna. So anyway, nakapag-toilet na kami. Itong alley na to, this leads to the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Ayan na, we're here. So nice. Well, sabi nila, there's always something magical about being in the midst of all these sprawling bamboo stalks. Well, let's see. Cementerio, ha? Check this area. Let's buy some food.
Reminds me of the screwball theater.
Ice cream, no? Yeah, wait.
My ice cream. So dinner time here at Royal Host.
Straight down.
Is fried chicken.
Turkey wasn't like 50 or
I think this is soup.
50.
This is my grilled chicken. Anong klaseng omurice to? Same. Also. What's your food?
Burger, deep fried shrimp, and the crab croquette, I think. Sarap.
Okay ba?
Sarap. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Strawberry matcha parfait with some sponge cake.
Hi. Good morning, everyone. So, nandito kami inside the bus. Bus number ano to? Bus number 207 to Gion. Malapit na kami bumaba. Yan. So, nandito na kami sa Mayasaka Shrine. So, we'll just go around the area Getting some hot dog.
Arigato.
Temperature right now is around 18 degrees Celsius. So, medyo mainit na, kaya, ayan, makikita nyo marami nang naka-t-shirt and shorts na lang. Pero ako, gaya ng iba, naka-long sleeves pa rin. Tapos, may dala rin akong extra jacket. Kasi naman sa gabi, biglang nagde-drop yung temperature, biglang lumalamig. So yan, that's the main hall of the Yasaka Shrine. This leads to Maruyama Park. So this is Maruyama Park. Konting lakad lang from the Yasaka Shrine. And also sabi nila this is the oldest public park in Kyoto.
Dami nila.
Ice cream first. Init eh. Dito pa rin kami sa Gion. So now, naghahanap kami ng ramen house. Yan ang kinikrave namin ngayon. Ngayon pa lang kami magra-ramen since we came here. Pauwi na sa Saturday. So, ito yung in-order ko. This is shoyu ramen. So, we're on our way to Fushimi Inari. Oh, nandito na kami sa Fushimi Inari. Yan, so nandito na tayo sa may Fushimi Inari Shrine. And this place is so famous for its story gates. Nabasa ko lang sa internet that this is the oldest shrine in Kyoto. And this shrine is dedicated to the Shinto god Inari.
Ano kailangan niya inumin?
Yan, sundan na lang natin mga tao. I think this is the path leading to the thousands of torii gates. So, pag nasa torii gates ka na, it's up to you if you wanna follow the trail or hike all the way up to the summit of Mount Inari. Yan, option lang naman yun. Pero syempre kami, we just want to see the thousands of torii gates, picture, you know, para we have souvenir. 2:30 p.m. Pero look. So, tapos na kami mag-picture and video. So, hindi na kami tumuloy hanggang taas. So, dumaan na kami dito para makalabas na. So, yan. We're heading to our last stop for the day sa Kiyomizu-dera. So, dito kami binaba ng bus. I think this is Yasaka Torii Street. Ayan. So, from here, natatanaw mo yung, yung Hokkanji Temple or yung Yasaka Pagoda. So that is the Hokkanji Temple. So tuloy-tuloy lang ang paglakad namin hanggang sa makarating kami sa Kiyomizu-dera. So by the way guys, this is an uphill walk. Lahat talaga pataas. Pero anyway, para hindi kayo mapagod, you can always take the time to enjoy the scenery. Plus yung mga shops nila. Buy some souvenirs, eat.
CR dito.
Alam ko may Starbucks dito. Na parang traditional.
Oo.
Hindi ko alam kung saan. This is super chapter.
Hi, we're finally here at Kiyomizu-dera. Kapagod. Yung asawa ko nagpaiwan na doon banda sa may Starbucks. Tapos ewan ko nasa na yung mga anak ko. Ayan na. I think pumunta doon banda sa mga temple. It's 5 p.m. and 17,000 steps. Okay, uwian na. So, ito ang gamit naming IC card dito sa Kyoto and also sa Osaka, ang iCoca card. So, paano ba ito gamitin sa bus? Pagbaba mo, itatap mo lang. Yan, dyan sa parang machine nila para mabasa yung card mo.
Thank you.
So, it's day 3 here in Kyoto and today wala kaming plans na mamasyal. So, ilalaan lang namin tong day na to for shopping. Bili-bili ng mga pasalubong. So, by the way, nandito kami sa may Aeon Mall or Eon Mall. Hindi ko alam kung anong correct pronunciation. Well, anyway, magla-lunch muna kami. So, this is the food court inside the mall. So, let me just show you around some areas inside the mall. Ito, arcade dito eh. Yan, Uniqlo. Mamaya bibili ako ng UV jacket. Yan, so nakikita nyo, maraming shops dito. So, you can do a lot of shopping in here. Okay, so tara, baba tayo. Let's explore. So, anyway, bababa nga ako dito. So, titingnan ko kung anong meron sa labas. Oh, malaki pala talaga yung mall. Ayan yung kabilang side ng mall. Tapos, ayan yung parang bridgeway nila, oh, going to the other side. Ito naman yung side kung nasaan ako. Ayan naman yung kabila. This is a big mall. So anyway, ito na yung supermarket. I'm gonna go shopping first. So ito yung mga grocery ko ngayon. Good morning everyone! It's 7:30 a.m. and nandito na kami ngayon sa Kyoto Station. And sasakay kami sa Haruka Express going to Kansai. And by the way, ngayon yung departure namin for Manila. Wow, laki pala nito. So, gate 7 kami. That's our train.
May CR dito dali.
So, ito ang interior ng train ng Haruka Express. Hello, hello! So, nandito na kami sa Terminal 1 ng Kansai Airport. So, this is how you check in here. So, isa-isa muna namin scan ang mga passports namin. Boarding pass naman ngayon. Yan, so bali print your own boarding passes and baggage tags. Then self-service baggage drop naman. So we're on our way to the Philippines. Thank you Lord, we truly had a very meaningful vacation in Osaka and Kyoto. So hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Bye!